Hey everybody, Mercy here. We have a fun workout today. All you need is your step. We're getting our cardio revved up. So this is a step workout. This is a HIIT workout. Just follow along. We're gonna do this workout together. Let's get started. Each exercise will be for 30 seconds and you will rest for 10 seconds. Starting in 10 seconds. First exercise, we're just going to step up. Step up. Alternate the leg that you step up on. And then we're gonna crank it up, as you know. So as you step up, I want you to focus on actually using your legs, using your core. All right. Here we go, we're crossing over and we're bringing our knee to our chest. Alternate. Breathe out through your mouth. Activate those abs. All right, good job. Get ready to jump up on the box, both feet. If you can't, just step again. Again, engage those abs. All right, good job. Right, left leg up. Right leg is back. We're crunching. Activate that glute though. Crunch. Keep going. You gotta breathe, just like you hear me breathing. All right, other leg, get ready. Take deep breaths, get water if you need it. Other side starting now. Good job. Straddle the step. We're jumping our feet on, we're jumping our feet off. Get ready. Here we go. On, off, on, off. All right. Go ahead and step to the side of the block. We're doing 2 steps on the block and we're coming off the block. Kind of like a shuffle across the block. Here we go. Shuffle. Good job. Back to the top. We're just stepping. Just stepping. Keep it up. You are doing awesome. Keep it up. Go ahead and straddle the box. Here we go. 2 feet up. All right, last round. We're gonna crank it up a notch. You can do it, you're doing awesome. Last round, instead of stepping up, let's alternate our feet up. Here we go. Alternate the feet. Land lightly, engage your abs. All right, I'm getting water. 2 feet up, jumping up. Two feet up. Breathe out through your mouth each time that you jump up. Oh man, we got abs. Let's step it with the left foot. Crunching with the right leg up. Here we go. A little bit faster. Burn out that front leg. All right, get ready for the other leg. Take your deep breaths. This music in my ear right now sucks. I need my motivation. Let's go. Right leg up, left leg pump those abs. Get ready to hop over, stepping across the block. Here we go. Jump across. All right, straddle that block. Block, step, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. Last one. You're trying to get in as many as you can. Ooh. Last exercise, which is the side of our step. Let's see if we can crank it up a little bit faster. Here we go. All right, that's how you get it done. Hopefully you enjoyed that step workout. I'm a bit out of breath right now, but awesome job. That's how you get your cardio. You can do that for a workout. You can repeat this 2, 3, 4 times. You'll be completely wiped out. And you can use it as a warm-up. I'll see you later, bye.